Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can create a YouTube channel on your mobile phone. At first, go to YouTube and make sure you're on the Gmail ID with which you want to open a YouTube channel. Then click on your channel. After that, it says picture. Now I'm not gonna select one, but if you want to have an icon or a profile picture, then just tap on this and select the one that you want to do. After that, you have to name your YouTube channel to whatever you want to. I'll just keep it default. And then the handle, this is however the username of your YouTube will be. So I'll keep it to like 1 2 3 4 and then save. After that, once I tap on create channel, it's automatically going to be loaded, and there you go, it's this channel created. And there's my home, playlist, channels, about. It says joined 6 January, which means I just opened it right now. And that is how you can create a YouTube channel on your mobile phone. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.